sure you know what I'm gonna make now. I have pasta, shrimp, parsley, basil, spring onion, red onion, garlic, chili, oregano, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have the herbs, you can skip it. Okay, that's good. We cook the red onion, chili, and garlic, and olive oil until the red onion soft. Now we add the prawn, cook them for a while. Now add the herbs and the spring onion. Add the pasta and a little bit of pasta stock. It will make your spaghetti yum. And then add salt and pepper and oregano on it, and add the more olive oil, and then we toast them around. Toast, toast, toast. This is it. Absolutely simple pasta. Enjoy!